about to ban Black Widow on our own team. I'm gonna have to like start queuing quick play and yapping to make friends to queue with, because what the hell was that? I don't know. I wonder who else is in plat. Who else is in platinum stream? Not that I can think of. Hi, baby, welcome in. I guarantee you somebody from chat would play with you. Hawkeye ban? What?
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
Oh, they're playing Black Widow for the team up? Oh, lordy. I killed like 3 mobs in my room and they keep respawning, bro. Where's the animal? Oh, jeez. Chat, who want me? Who gonna play with Haley? Pitchy witchy bo bitchy, I love you. I love you too. How are you? How's ranked been? Ranked. We won 1 and lost 2. Got a game yesterday. Everyone but me had a negative KD. Gotta love those. Rank going well. Oh, hi Crimson. Welcome back. Hi John. Okay, is it me or do you always want to crack your back and then you felt a crack in your chest? I don't really crack my back. I said, y'all down to do no tanks? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. They're gonna fucking do 3, huh? You better be good on Widow. You better be. That's all I'm saying. And we have a Jeff. Fuck my fucking life, bro. Maybe it's the same one. Maybe it's the same one, right guys? Right? Right guys? Right guys? It's the same Jeff, right? Surely we get the good Jeff, right? We get the good Jeff?
I don't know. He's gonna res though. Wait, they're actually playing no tank.
Torch? Oh, my fault. Okay. Alright. We're so spread out. We are so fucking spread out. Oh, boy. Love the way your character looks. Thank you, Daisy. I appreciate you. Been a long night. I'ma call me a Uber. This is so fun. I got the stomach bug? Dude, I swear you're always sick. Every time I talk to you, you're sick. I can't see you, strange. Or fucking thing, whatever.
Yeah, like that. Actually, I have no tank. Played 1. Also one.
Dude.
DP1.
Alright, dude. Alright. This is not the same Jeff, by the way. Can we even queue comp together? I'm flat. Krypton's like bronze, bro. And he only plays Jeff. So no. Frozen! I don't want to play comp anymore. Actually, I'm playing comp for the rest of the stream. I don't give a fuck.
I know that.
Either go back to plat or...
Like what?
Oh my god. Oh god. I'm not very good. Plus bronze 3. We love bronze. Luna, move your fucking feet. Go. Why is our Luna jumping so much? Oh my god. I have so many things to complain about. I'm a lurk and get ready for work. Bye, Vippy. What the fuck are we doing?
Double next to you if you can.
I can't touch. I'll have to touch. Little one.
Why do we double? Oh.
Little one on me.
What? Why did we double ult? Cool. What the fuck are we doing? Yeah, what he said. Oh my god. What Star-Lord drops? If you look further in your drops, they're in there.
Play one, play one.
Oh my god. I went back and looked at the match chat, and the supports on the other team said, "Hey, was trying so hard." Oh my god, you were. You did double the heals of like everyone. So. Oh my god, no way, bro.
PP on point.
BP1, BP1.
He can't see you. If
Back it, back it. Oh, never mind, goodbye.
I don't know what else to do. Like,
I'm TP, stand by,
and I did that at the wrong fucking time, so that's cool. Oh god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's almost like that's the point of the game. What? To play Jeff